as you can see from this slide, people ask me like, Chris, is the market gonna crash? Like, what's going on? And I get it, you know, we want to know what's going to happen, right? Nobody has a crystal ball, even myself. As much as I'm very optimistic about the real estate market, I can't guarantee that the market will never crash because that would be foolish of me. But I like to look at data. And one of the biggest things you can see here is there's not a lot of inventory out there on the market. Like we're at 700,000 homes. Normal 2022, 2021, and 2020, 1.2 to 1.3 million homes. We're almost what is that? Half, 40%, right? Less homes on the market. So when people say, well, their rates are 8%, well, they were. It's going to have to put pressure on the market. Yeah, but if there's no inventory there, it's not going to put a lot of pressure on the market. It will put a little bit. You'll have less buyers in the market, but there's less inventory in the market. So the amount of offers you see per property go down. When you start seeing listings out there, a lot more listings, and less than half an offer per listing, okay, that's going to change things. But when you're still seeing at an average 2.5 to 3 offers per listing on a national level, you're going to keep their value. So just a good stat there to show you like inventory levels is one of the biggest reasons why values are staying as high as they are. As always, I'll bring the facts. I'll bring the data. You, my friend, just need to bring the decision.